Okay, so this is the attenuation of gamma rays activity. So what I've done is I have inserted a cesium-137 source into the sample holder, contrary to what the lab manual states. The manual says that it's a cobalt-60 source. It's not. I'm going to use the cesium-137 source. It's also a gamma ray source. And what I'm going to do is bring this up fairly close to the counter. And what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to make 5-minute data runs with a lead absorber between the source and the Geiger counter. Okay? And I want to make these data runs for each one of the 4 lead absorbers. Now what I'm going to give you is the raw data, the total number of counts for each absorber. And it's up to you to follow the procedures in section 4.4 of the manual as far as subtracting off the background number and taking the logarithm of that difference. And then you will plot that versus the absorber thickness. Again, the absorber thickness can be found in the appendices in the lab manual. And then you will follow the procedure in order to determine the half thickness for lead.